Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a riddle which was posted as a Schumann problem. In fact, it is a problem for lower grade kids, but the riddle is quite intricate. We have to get through all possible cases. So let's take a closer look. Here is the riddle. Suppose there are four siblings and they broke a glass while playing, and the following four statements are made. Mary says that Rajat broke the glass, and Rajat says that Babai broke the glass, and Babai says that it wasn't me, and Shubha says that it wasn't me. And it's known that exactly one person speaks the truth. Out of all four, exactly one person spoke the truth. Can you find who broke the glass? This is the question posed. So try thinking about this riddle on your own for 2-3 minutes, and maybe you can look at our solution. So we have to case work. We cannot directly assert that one of them is correct or something just by looking into their statements. We have to assume Mary says the truth. That's the case one. Mary speaks truth. That means all other statements are not true. Therefore, I can arrive at some contradiction or some conclusion. If I arrive at a contradiction, then I can say that it is not possible. Then I will move on to the next case. So likewise, I enumerate all cases and find which one concludes to something logical and is consistent. So if Mary speaks the truth, then Rajat, Babai and Shubha lied. So first, Rajat broke the glass. Then Rajat said that Babai broke the glass. Okay, there is no much contradiction here. I know that the truth is Rajat broke the glass. So when Rajat says that Babai broke the glass, it should be false. So that means Babai did not break the glass. And Babai says that it wasn't me. Do you find some contradictory statement here? Babai says that Babai did not break the glass. And this is not logically consistent. This inconsistency is because Babai is supposed to lie as per our universal truth. Exactly one person speaks the truth. So Babai is supposed to lie. That means Babai should say, yeah. And we also see that Babai not breaking the glass is a truth. But Babai told that truth, whereas they are supposed to lie. So it's a contradictory statement. Babai's statement is contradictory. So this case is not possible. Second, Rajat speaks truth. Let's assume that Rajat speaks truth. So the first statement, Rajat broke the glass, should be a lie. And the second statement by Rajat should be the truth. So Babai broke the glass. So let's write out the truth. For sure, we know that Babai broke the glass. Babai says that it wasn't me, which is a lie. Babai actually broke the glass and they are lying here. We can allow that to happen. Now Shubha says that it wasn't me, which is a truth, right? Shubha is speaking truth, which they are not supposed to. Therefore, we arrive at a contradiction and we disregard this case. So this is contradictory. Next, we assume that Babai speaks truth. So if Babai is speaking the truth, then the truth is that Babai did not break the glass. Babai didn't break the glass. Let's see if there is any sort of logical inconsistency. Rajat broke the glass. That's the statement made by Mary. So it should be false. So Rajat did not break the glass. That should be the case. Now Rajat says Babai broke the glass. That should be a lie because it is exactly the opposite of truth. So there is no logical inconsistency in that. And the Shubha says that it wasn't me. So if it is a lie, then Shubha's statements opposite must be the truth, which says that Shubha broke the glass. So if that were the case, then Shubha would be the culprit. So hence we found the culprit. So who broke the glass? Shubha broke the glass. And who spoke the truth? Babai spoke the truth. But of course, we have to check out for the fourth case in which Shubha speaks the truth. So if that were the case, then the truth would be that Shubha did not break the glass. So then all the other statements are a lie. Rajat did not break the glass because Mary said that Rajat broke the glass. So the reality is that Rajat did not break and Babai did not break. And Babai says that it wasn't me, which means Babai broke the glass. So this is a contradiction. You get that Babai did not break for making Rajat's statement to be a lie. And now to make Babai's statement to be a lie, you force Babai to be the culprit, and hence this is a contradictory conclusions. So case 4 is impossible. So I'm not going to consider that anyway. So case 3 with Babai speaking the truth and Shubha breaking the glass is the reality. This is how we solve the truth or lie riddles. And this is a problem of fortnight 23, and we deliver it to students of grades 5 and 6. But students of any grade can attempt this still. It is just based on logical consistency test. So if you are interested in more such intriguing problems, try out our free trial worksheet at www.shumanmath.com. See you in the next video. Bye.